In this video, I will show you how to follow someone on Threads on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Threads on your device. And to follow someone is very easy to do. Now, there's two things you can do. The first thing is to come to the search box at the bottom, so this little magnifying glass down here. Press onto that and you can go ahead and search people or different accounts on Threads just by typing that into the search box and pressing follow next to their name. Now, if you're looking to follow any existing followers that you follow currently on Instagram, what you can do is come to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and from here you want to click onto this picture of like a globe in the top left hand corner. Next, go ahead and click onto profiles you follow, and what you want to do is make sure you select it onto following at the top, so you've got followers, following and pending. You want to select following and you're going to see some small text underneath, and what you want to do is press onto see all. Now what this is going to do is actually bring up all the accounts you currently follow on Instagram, and what you can do is actually follow the same accounts that you follow on Instagram from here. If you want to follow all the accounts, then just go down to the bottom, you're going to see a button to follow all accounts. So that's how to follow someone on Instagram Threads. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.